This one here, there's plastic. Release. Need to remove this one here. It's the airbag. And I believe we need to remove this one here as well. Alright, mine is glued. Yeah, we have one here as well. One there, and I believe there's one more here. Wow. Let's see, we need to remove this one here as well. There, disconnected. Alright, so one here, one there, and I think there's one here. Here. And yes, there's one here as well. So, let's see. They are T25. Three screws. Holding one here, one there, one there. Let's put them in the way. Alright. We can reach this one later. Remove the connector. And we take out from the sides here. All right. And this one here is holding the whole thing. All right, this one is under. There. Sure if we should lift it up or pull it out. Let's see. Yep. Pull it out carefully. There. This one here. We pull it out. Now we disconnect the speaker. And of course, we need new ones. Here, it's good to order ones before we do this work. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.